Hi, everybody. Today is Monday, December 14, 2020. I'm going to show you how to do the homework. We want to look at homework 1 and 3. 1 and 2, I'm sorry. We have 3 maximum today. 3 homework parts. We want to look at homework 1 now and homework 2. Homework 1, write the correct sentence on paper. Send a photo to Vic. What is the correct sentence? Where can we find this? Of course, we need WhatsApp. Right? Find WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Look for Vic. Right? Find, there's Vic. Right? Open Vic. And you want to go up and find the homework from December 14. It's this picture. Homework 1. Right? You can see homework 1 of 3. With this picture. I can show you now. This is my computer, but it's WhatsApp on my computer. So, this is homework 1. For this one, it's like we did in the class on Zoom. 3 sentences, but only one is correct. Only one is correct spelling, correct grammar, like that. So, I gave you examples. I will show you examples now. The blue square and the red square and the green square, you finish. You write the answers on paper and you send me a photo. So, for example, I am going to write example. This is homework 1 of 3, example. Example. So the example 1, she has a wallet. For you on your phone, you can read. Example 1, she has a wallet. Okay. Example 2, she have a wallet. Example 3, she is a wallet. So, she is a wallet. No, she is a woman. She is a girl. She is a president. No. She... The only correct one is 1. She has a wallet. She has a wallet. So only one answer is correct. So I only write one answer. She has a wallet. Right? Don't write number 2. Don't write number 3. These are wrong. They are not correct. We don't write them. Only write the correct one. So look at the blue square and write which one is correct. Only one is correct. Write only one sentence. The red square, A, B, C. Only one correct. Write one sentence. The green square, ... About jacket. Only one sentence. Write it. So you need 3 more sentences for homework 1. 3 more sentences. Okay? Only write the correct sentences. Read. Find only the correct one. Write the correct one. Then send me a photo. Right? Take a photo. Send it to Vic. Send it to me. I will check it. Okay? Good job. So that's homework 1. Homework 1, right? Find the correct answer. Oops. You can make it. Yeah, there you can read. Write the correct sentences on paper. Homework 2, answer the questions about Maria. Send a photo to Vic. Okay? Let's look in WhatsApp. Right? In WhatsApp, we can check. Or I can show you on my computer here. No, too big. Okay, we can look. Homework 2. Ah, here, homework 2. So the picture is here. Do you see here? We can make it bigger. Okay. Answer the questions. Write the answers on paper. Where does Maria go on Saturday? Example. So homework, I will write on a new page. So homework 2 of 3. Example. I will tell you the example. Where does Maria go on Saturday? 2 answers are okay. Short answer, you can write the supermarket. Right? This is okay. Example, the supermarket. It's correct. But also, we can look in the homework, right? We can look back. The homework from last week. Wait. We have the whole story. You finished writing the story. Oh, you cannot see. But everybody, you can find your homework and find the story. For me, I have the story here. Right? So you can write the full sentence. Optional. She goes to the supermarket. Full sentence. She goes to the supermarket. Right? So homework 2 or 3, write the answers. 6 questions, 6 answers. You can write short answer. I can read, I can say, good, yeah, it's correct. Right? You can write short answers like the supermarket. Where does Maria go on the weekend? On Saturday? The supermarket. Or full sentences. She goes to the supermarket. 2 options, both correct. Okay, finish writing all the answers for 1, 2, 3. Right, but 6 questions. I'm gonna need more paper. 4, 5, 6. Write the answers for all 6. Take photos. Send them to Vic. Okay? Good luck. Good job. You got this. I wish you all the best.